Hello there, welcome to IF Global Management Training. In this video, we'll discuss some of the tools and techniques that can increase your project management planning skills. Remember, the project planning tools are split into multiple videos, so if you haven't seen them yet, check at the end of this video. These tools are designed to help you stay organized, manage risks, gather valuable stakeholder feedback, and ensure your projects run smoothly from start to finish. So, if you're ready to learn how to optimize your project planning and execution, keep watching. We will start with mind mapping. Mind mapping is a visual representation to organize and connect ideas and information that are organized around a central topic. In a mind map, the topic is placed in the center, and related ideas and information are connected to it using lines, branches, and symbols. This visual representation helps the connections between different elements to make it easier to understand and remember the information. It helps to visualize the relationships between different requirements, allowing project managers to identify dependencies and gaps. The mind map can also be used to plan quality standards, processes, and metrics for the project. It helps project managers to develop a stakeholder engagement plan. Project Management Information System. Project Management Information System. The Project Management Information System, PMIS, is a group of integrated tools or systems. It is designed to support and facilitate the projects. It serves as a central repository for project-related information and provides various functionalities to assist project managers and team members in managing projects efficiently. The Project Management Information System helps project managers develop a project schedule by sequencing activities in a logical order. It also enables the creation of a project network diagram, which shows the dependencies between activities. Up next is meetings. Meetings are to share information, work progress discussions for the teams, and address challenges. Meetings often evoke mixed feelings in the workplace. Sometimes teams are viewed as productivity drains. However, in project management, meetings are indispensable for fostering collaboration, communication, and alignment. Regularly scheduled meetings are to maintain the momentum of the team and increase transparency, while specific meetings address specific issues. By embracing effective meeting practices, project managers can grow a culture of transparency, shared ownership, and accountability. Checklists, simple yet powerful. Checklist is a way to structure a list of to-do items or steps to verify their completeness. It can significantly enhance project success by promoting thoroughness and reducing errors. Sometimes the checklist's simplicity may deny its effectiveness in maintaining order, especially when projects have numerous interconnected tasks. The checklist provides a clear instruction for the project teams, ensuring each step of project management plan development is considered and completed. By embracing the simplicity and effectiveness of checklists, project managers can enhance project efficiency and improve quality control. Focus groups, tapping into collective wisdom. Focus groups are techniques for gathering target audiences to provide feedback, opinions, and insights on a specific topic. A focus group typically involves a small, carefully selected group of individuals who represent the specific audience or stakeholders. Focus groups are useful for shaping a project while developing a project management plan and collecting requirements. Questionnaires and surveys. Questionnaires and surveys are tools used to collect information, opinions, or feedback from individuals or groups. It is widely used in research, business, or education to gather data, to make decisions, or guide projects. Questionnaires and surveys provide a broader perspective and capture data from a larger sample size. These tools are valuable while collecting project requirements to quantify opinions or preferences across a wider stakeholder group. When carefully crafted, the questions and strategically distributed help gather valuable data to inform decision-making. Market research. The market research involves gathering, recording, and analysis of data about a specific market or industry. Market research provides the necessary insights to navigate this landscape, enabling project teams to identify opportunities and mitigate risks. Understanding the competitive landscape, market trends, and customer preferences is crucial for making informed decisions during the project planning. Market research techniques include secondary research, such as analyzing industry reports, and primary research, which can be conducting surveys and focus groups. Market research helps the project is aligned with market needs, increasing the project's success. Meeting management. Mastering meeting management is the process of planning, organizing, and facilitating effective meetings to ensure they achieve their intended objectives. A meeting is an indispensable tool for fostering collaboration, communication, and alignment among stakeholders. Effective meetings serve as structured forums for teams to discuss progress, address challenges, and make informed decisions. To carefully plan and execute a productive meeting involves a clear objective and well-defined agenda. By mastering the art of productive meetings, project managers can transform these gatherings into valuable opportunities for collaboration and problem-solving. Nominal group technique. The nominal group technique is a brainstorming method used for decision-making. Nominal group involves individual idea generation, followed by a structured group discussion and voting to prioritize the ideas. This technique is often used during the requirements gathering phase to elicit ideas and requirements from stakeholders in an unbiased way. Facilitation group. Facilitation is interpersonal and team skills that help the team foster collaboration and guidance towards shared goals. During the facilitation meeting, a skilled facilitator helps the group stay focused, manage discussions, and reach consensus. Where the environment is an environment in which the team members feel heard and respected. The facilitation workshops help the project team and stakeholders in the development of the project management plan, establish ground rules, and define project objectives. The facilitation workshops lead to a positive and productive team environment and increase quality outputs. Observation and conversation. Observation and conversation involve observing team members or stakeholders in their work environment, or engaging in informal or formal conversations to gather information. This technique is used to understand the workflows and requirements in a more organic way. Alternatives analysis. Alternatives analysis is weighing the possibilities for optimal outcomes. In project management, decisions are rarely black and white. Multiple paths exist to achieve outcomes, each with its own advantages, disadvantages, and risks. That is where the alternatives analysis comes in. Alternatives analysis is a decision-making technique used in the project in order to evaluate and compare multiple options. This helps determine the most suitable solution for a particular situation. This analysis involves identifying, assessing, and selecting the best alternative based on defined criteria and constraints. Some of the areas used in the project planning are to assess the alignment with stakeholder requirements and organizational objectives, to define the project scope, ensuring that the scope is feasible and meets stakeholder needs. It is also used when evaluating different scheduling approaches, resource allocations, or activity sequencing. This promotes transparency and enables informed decision-making based on defined criteria. Document analysis. Document analysis means tapping into the knowledge existing in the documents. In project management, valuable information often resides in existing documentation. So, document analysis helps leverage organizational memory and avoid past mistakes. It involves reviewing and evaluating various types of documents to extract key information. This process can identify stakeholder requirements and risks in the project. Document analysis is also done when project managers join existing projects to get up to speed. What-if scenario analysis. What-if scenario analysis is used to explore potential deviations, assess impact, and help develop contingency plans. This technique involves evaluating different scenarios to understand the potential outcomes. It identifies events that could impact the project. Project managers utilize what-if scenario analysis to develop the project schedule by evaluating different scenarios, such as delays, changes in resource availability, or changes in stakeholder priorities. It evaluates the potential consequences of different decisions, leading to more informed choices. Conclusion. In this video, we learn a variety of tools and techniques that can significantly enhance project planning, execution, and decision-making. For example, mind mapping helps visually organize ideas and identify dependencies, while project management information systems, PMIS, integrate different project elements. Meetings are crucial for fostering collaboration, alignment, and transparency within teams. Simple tools like checklists ensure that tasks are completed thoroughly, and focus groups and surveys provide valuable feedback from stakeholders, shaping requirements and guiding decisions. Additionally, techniques such as market research, alternatives analysis, and what-if scenario analysis enable project managers to assess risks, identify opportunities, and make informed decisions that align with market demands and stakeholder expectations. Facilitation and document analysis promote effective communication and leverage existing knowledge to keep the team on track. There you have it. If you use these tools, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Feel free to share your experiences or any questions you may have in the comments below.